If you're wondering how to integrate ShopWired with eBay, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the process and also give you a heads up on why it might not be the perfect solution for your e-commerce needs. Stick around till the end, because I've got some great alternatives for you, and I'll show you how to get an exclusive, extended free trial. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to know is that ShopWired is a cloud-based e-commerce platform designed for UK retailers to build their online stores. It's packed with features like customizable templates, secure payment options, and inventory management. However, when it comes to integrating with eBay, things can get a bit tricky. The integration is available, but it's not as seamless as some users expect. Next thing, before jumping into the integration process, you'll want to make sure you have an active ShopWired account. If you haven't signed up yet, you'll need to do that first. Once you're logged into your ShopWired account, head over to the Integrations section, which can be found in the Settings area of your dashboard. Once you're in the Integrations tab, look for the eBay option and click on it. This will guide you to the authentication page where you'll link your eBay account to ShopWired. Now, this is where it can get a little frustrating. Unlike other platforms like Shopify, ShopWired doesn't have an automatic syncing feature that instantly pulls in your eBay listings. You'll have to manually manage things like product descriptions and images across both platforms. The fourth thing to keep in mind is that you'll need to adjust your shipping options and tax settings separately in both ShopWired and eBay. While both platforms allow for shipping configuration, the lack of automatic syncing can mean you'll be doing extra work, especially if you have a large catalog. Now, let's talk about what happens after you've integrated the two platforms. Once your ShopWired store and eBay account are connected, you can start importing your product listings. But again, you won't get a smooth, fully automated syncing experience. You'll have to upload your products one at a time or use CSV uploads for bulk imports, but you still need to double-check everything. The sixth thing I want to point out is that even after the integration, managing your inventory between both platforms can be a hassle. ShopWired doesn't have a built-in automatic inventory syncing system with eBay. So, if you sell the same products across multiple platforms, you'll need to stay on top of stock levels manually. This could lead to overselling if you're not diligent. So, while ShopWired with eBay integration is useful, it's not the most seamless experience out there. That being said, there's a great competitor that might suit your needs much better, especially if you're looking for full automation and better syncing. At the end of the video, I'll share that option and tell you how to access an exclusive extended free trial with them. But before that, if you're interested in learning more about ShopWired's strengths and how to make the most of its features, it's still a solid platform for smaller businesses or those who are just starting out. However, if you're looking to grow and scale, you might run into some limitations, especially when it comes to eBay integration. So, what's the alternative? I found that Insert Competitor Name does a much better job with seamless eBay integration. Their system syncs product listings, inventory, and even orders automatically between your store and eBay. Plus, their platform is designed with scaling in mind, offering a smoother experience for those who want to expand their business. If you're ready to try out Insert Competitor Name, I've got an exclusive link for you to get the best free trial available, only for our viewers. Plus, with that trial, you'll also get some added benefits that can really help take your e-commerce business to the next level. You won't find this deal anywhere else. So, whether you're sticking with ShopWired or trying out something new, make sure to check out the link in the description for the best trial deals and start improving your eBay integration today.